Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to review synchronized multicam footage using Multicam Player in Limecraft Workspace. First, your material needs to be synced and uploaded to your workspace using Limecraft Edge. To use the multicam view, click the grid button in the player to open it. This opens the synchronized clips from your multicam group. The clip you opened first is set as the leader. The other clips automatically follow its timeline during playback. Any comments you add are attached to the leader clip. Use the drop-down menus to change the different camera angles displayed in each pane. To change the leader clip, select another clip from the multicam group in the clip information pane. That's it. You can now view up to 4 camera angles simultaneously. For more info and tips, visit support.limecraft.com.